Understanding stroke. A silent threat. A stroke happens when blood flow to your brain stops. This is serious. Your brain needs blood to work right. There are two types of stroke: ischemic and hemorrhagic. Ischemic stroke is like a clogged pipe in the brain. Hemorrhagic stroke is like a burst pipe. Both types are dangerous, so knowing how to prevent them is important. Think of stroke like a heart attack in your brain. Cells don't get the oxygen they need. This can cause lasting damage. You could have trouble speaking or moving. Some people even die from stroke. The good news? Many strokes are preventable. Small changes in your daily life can make a big difference. Let's explore how you can protect your brain and live a healthier, stroke-free life. Fueling your body. The Outsmart diet. The food you eat plays a crucial role in stroke prevention. Think of your diet as medicine for your brain. What you put in your body directly affects your risk. A healthy diet can lower your chances of having a stroke. First, limit saturated and trans fats. They clog your arteries, increasing stroke risk. Choose lean proteins like fish and chicken. Cut down on red meat. Bake or grill instead of frying. Next, embrace fiber-rich foods. Think fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. They help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol, two major stroke risk factors. Add a side salad to your dinner, snack on fruits, and choose whole grain bread over white bread. Get moving to Outsmart stroke. Regular exercise is like a magic bullet for stroke prevention. It strengthens your heart, improves blood flow, and helps control blood pressure. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Start slow and gradually increase intensity. Walking is a great starting point. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, or cycling. Make exercise a part of your daily routine, like brushing your teeth. Exercise doesn't have to be strenuous. Even moderate activity helps. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Walk or bike to work if possible. Find ways to incorporate movement into your daily life, and your brain will thank you. Section 4. Stress less, live more. Protecting your brain. Chronic stress is a silent killer, and your brain is not immune to its effects. Stress hormones can raise blood pressure and damage blood vessels, increasing stroke risk. Learning to manage stress is crucial for a healthy brain. Find healthy ways to cope with stress. Exercise is a natural stress reliever. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga can also help calm your mind. Make time for activities you enjoy, whether it's reading, listening to music, or spending time in nature. Don't be afraid to seek professional help if you're struggling to manage stress. A therapist can provide you with coping mechanisms and strategies to reduce stress levels. Remember, a calm mind contributes to a healthy brain. Section 5. Your health, your hands. Regular checkups matter. Prevention is key when it comes to stroke. Regular medical checkups are crucial for detecting and managing risk factors. Early detection can significantly reduce your risk of having a stroke. Schedule regular appointments with your doctor, especially if you have a family history of stroke. Monitor your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. If you have diabetes, keep it under control. Talk to your doctor about your stroke risk factors. They can assess your individual risk and recommend personalized strategies for prevention. Don't wait until it's too late. Take charge of your health today. Section 6. Taking charge. Your path to a stroke-free life. Remember, you have the power to protect your brain and reduce your risk of stroke. By adopting a healthy lifestyle, managing stress, and staying proactive with your health, you can live a longer, healthier life. Small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 healthy habits into your daily routine. Gradually add more as you become more comfortable. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step towards a stroke-free life. Your brain is precious. Take care of it.